Hey guys, got some exciting news. I happen to be in Southern California for some work related stuff, and while I was here, I thought I'd take a trip over to Riverside and go visit Tubeworks. I actually had some questions for them around the 70-30-15 versus the 45-15 kit. And so, I went over there talking about some of that. And while I was there, they actually showed me a project that they've been working on. And it's a four-seat kit for the Yamaha YXZ. Pretty exciting stuff. I grabbed a couple pictures here, as you can see, and it's I don't know. Maybe this is news to it was news for me anyway. You guys may have heard of this. I don't know. Apparently Jason's had it out at King of Hammers, but this is the first time I'd heard of this. So I thought it was really, really cool. It's going to be a full tube kit, or full tube chassis and a cage. Made out of 1.75 by 0.095 DOM steel tubing. It will come with everything you need to turn your two-seater into a four-seater, and you just bolt on some of the stuff from your car, right? So A-arms and axles, and move your motor over and stuff. Really cool stuff. I think you're going to need probably to have it turboed or supercharged or something like that to handle the extra weight and everything from going from 2 to 4 seats. But anyway, I thought it was really cool. This is hot off the presses, I guess you could say, and I thought I'd share that with you. So thanks for watching. If you got any questions, please leave your questions or comments below, as always, and stick around. I've got more exciting videos coming. I'm going to finish off part 2 of the DIY build your own BCF war machine kit, cage kit for my YXZ, and some other stuff. So stick around, and again, thanks for watching.